Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing of the MoriPods True Wireless Earbuds. This is by a company called Hailu, and these are equipped with Qualcomm aptX Adaptive, and that just gives you superior sound for Bluetooth wireless earbuds. Looking at some of the features of this, you've got Qualcomm 3040, dual microphones for HD calls, smart touch control, Type-C charging, which is awesome, and IPX4 waterproof and dustproof. That's probably more water resistant. Don't take waterproof is a word that's thrown around a lot. It's IPX4, so you can't go swimming with these. Don't try that. Looking on the back here, you see the model of MoriPods. Charging time, approximately 2 hours. From that, you get about 5 hours of talking on the phone. The input parameter is 5 volts, 70 mA. Input 5 of charging case, that's for the earbuds. The charging case, because it comes with a charging case, is 5 volt, 500 mA. Output 5 volt, 100 mA. The charging time for the charging case is about 2 hours. And the battery capacity of the, I believe that's of the charging case, is 310 mAh. And what you get in here, earbuds, charging case, charging cable user manual, and we're going to take a look at that right now because that's what the unboxing is for, so we can see exactly what comes in the box. Nice little, like their logo, and it says, hey, listen up. That's their little motto. Open up here. Really nice. Really premium look and quality. I love that. Nice soft styrofoam outer. And then you pull this out. And it's a cool, interesting shape. This is the case. And you can see when you pull that out, you've got their logo there. So yeah, they have really stepped up with the way that this is presented. It looks very, very nice. I'm going to set this off to this. Well, actually, first let's see if there's anything else in there. Yeah, there's a manual in there. I kind of figured there would be. So let's pull that out first, and then we'll look at the main attraction. So you've got Hailu MoriPods. You've got their little logo here. I think their logo is very clever. I like it. This is your manual, so this will give you all the information you need on how to use these. Put that off to the side. You got a Type-C charging cable. You probably already have lots of these laying around, but if in case you don't, they do include one. This is a short one, so could be handy if you need. Most of the ones I have are very long, so kind of having a little short one could be useful. And now I will put this to the side. Of note, it does not come with an actual charger, just the charging cable. So you'll need to use a charger you have or plug this into a USB port on your computer. So I've got a nice protective cover on there, so we're going to take that off. And you can see you've got the, again, the name here, Hailu. It's very premium looking, very nice looking case. On the bottom here, very simply, you've got the USB Type-C charging port. That's where you would plug in to charge this case. I'm going to open this. Oh, there's where it opens. You can see you've got the little groove right there. So you open up, and there are the buds. And I'm going to pull these out so we can take a look at those. You can see they just drop down in there. And it's kind of a magnetic case, so when you drop them down in there, they just drop down in there like that. And a nice kind of matte finish on the outside, but then really slick, shiny finish on the inside. So that's kind of a cool, again, very high style, very, very well designed. I like the matte finish on the outside. It's not going to get fingerprints on it as much as it would if it were a glossy finish. So that's very, very cool. And then having the slick glossy on the inside. That contrast, I like that. I like that a lot. I like the look of that. So here are the buds themselves. They similarly make use of both the matte and the glossy. You can see on the, I'm going to call this the Bluetooth stick. You've got a matte finish at the top here with the cool logo, and then the bottom is a more shiny finish. So it's a matte finish and then a glossy finish. There was just a cover over the little, there's the, see if I can focus on that. That's the pins that get the charge there, and I believe probably a microphone. And so you're going to have that on both sides. Let's see if I can take this one off without without shooting this across the table. There we go. There we go. And that's how you get rid of that. And so these are the earbuds. You can see, so matte finish on the back of the bud and on the stick here, and then glossy finish here, and same thing, glossy finish on the bottom. And you've got a little R, if you can see that. Can you see that R? There's a little R right there to let you know right, and a little L there to let you know left. And yeah, you've got obviously your main speaker is right there, and then you've got I don't know if that's going to be a speaker or a microphone there, and then definitely that's going to be either an LED indicator or a microphone there. Oh, there's a LED indicator right there. So that's a LED indicator. You can see that flashing. So that's probably a microphone. And that could be another microphone. And I'm almost positive that hole there is a microphone. You can see that. So this thing, it's got several mics. Definitely they made these to work well. They want to make sure they have enough mics to pick up sound and then also produce excellent sound when you're listening. But that's just the unboxing, so obviously I haven't used these yet and can't attest to anything other than the unboxing part right now. But yeah, but these are them. They look great. I think they're very high-end looking, very well made. I like the colors, kind of a grayish, blackish, bluish color, I guess is the way I would describe it. Very nice. Very, very nice. So you get these. You get again, the really cool charging case to charge them up. You also get that Type-C cord that comes in the box, and the manual. And that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. I will be doing a full follow-up review so that you can find out more about how they work and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can be aware of that video when it comes out, or favorite this playlist if you just want to keep up with product reviews. Share this video with anyone who might be interested. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. But of course, a lot of those will probably be answered in the full review demo video. So just stay tuned for that. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.